What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to Midnight Drive Media. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your car more JDM. I was actually gonna do some DIY rust repair on the Blue Waffle, but it's like 20 degrees out, and Bondo doesn't really like to set in cold weather, and I don't want to be sitting out there for a couple hours sanding away at a car. So we're just going to be doing some JDM mods, and I'm actually going to be cleaning out my half of the garage because that's where a lot of the videos are going to go down, is in the garage, and right now it's a complete mess. So we're going to clean that out, and that's just going to be a short little video for today, but figured might as well get something out for the weekend, so this is it. So all you JDM guys out there know that there's three very important parts to your car that you need to have. You need to have your clout, you need to have ironic slap stickers, and you need little trees. I thought the sticker was a really good meme. I don't know if it's going to focus, but it says, "Why is your car so loud but so slow?" I think that's pretty silly. It's some anime bitch, right? So we're going to go and put those on the car, clean out the garage, and yeah. Coming out to the Blue Waffle. There she is. So installing little trees is actually one of the hardest mods you can do. I'd say it's on the same level as maybe a K24A2 swap. So what we're doing right now is actually really high skill modification you can do to your car. As you can see though, I am pretty highly skilled, so yeah, not trying to brag or anything, but I think I know what I'm doing. Alrighty, so this is the hard part. You unwrap it, you get it all nice and out, and yeah, oh, look at this. You gotta put it around. Careful! Oh my gosh, this is so. Oh my gosh, put it around and gently. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so that's how you install a little tree. Very difficult modification. I would not recommend it for beginners. So I had to put the camera down for the sticker install because this is Honda Tech. You need the highest of car educations to do this. So yeah, I had to put the camera down for it, but I like them. I think it's good meme. I'm gonna get some more stickers up in here. Obviously it adds a shit ton of horsepower. You can't have a JDM car without clout. It's just a good all-around modification. So we're gonna get some peel porn action up in here if I can. Oh, gentle. Look, it's coming off. All right, we gotta be gentler. Hold on. Alrighty, so that was actually one of the hardest sticker installs I've ever done. I know, sticker and the word hard shouldn't go together, but like every single letter kept trying to peel off for the Midnight Drive, so I was taking the heat to it and everything, trying to warm it up, and it was still coming off. So don't buy custom stickers off of Amazon, because that happens. But I mean, it's on now, so it's all good. It was just very slow and tedious. But so yeah, as I was saying, only the top Honda techs should be attempting installs like this. But it does make your car so much more JDM, as you can see. Yeah. But in all seriousness, guys, I didn't really know what I was going to do this video because the weather kind of screwed me over. So we're just going to be doing a quick time lapse of cleaning out all this mess, because this is my half of the garage and it's full of crap. So yeah, we're gonna, when I get the project car, Del Sol, Miata, maybe another Civic, it's going in here. And we're doing some mad JDM work on that. Alrighty, y'all, so I just kind of cleaned out everything, swept up the floor. I still got some organizing to do, but this is going to be my work garage space. And to most people I know, it's not much. You watch it, TJ Hunt and everyone else, they got lifts and everything. But I mean, this is the first time I've ever had a dedicated place to work on my cars. So, hopefully we'll have two soon. But, yeah. So it's exciting for me to, finally have a little spot that I can do some wrenching, putting some stickers on and stuff like that. That's some hard work. You need a garage space for that. I am sorry that this video is kind of boring, just kind of an update with the garage and doing some stickers and stuff. Next week is gonna be exciting though. It's gonna be exciting. I got something big coming next week. We're gonna get some more VTEC. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. So yeah, like I was saying, sorry for if this was kind of boring. So to make up for it, we're gonna do a fat VTEC pull here pretty soon. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell or whatever. Do that.